Keeping up to date with the enormous amount of regulations that a ship is required to be in compliance with is a significant challenge for seafarers. This challenge is further compounded by the international nature of the industry and the movement between different waters and different areas of regulatory jurisdiction. The B5 system focuses on reducing the burden of maritime regulations for the whole shipping community. Instead of a cumbersome library of regulations held on board, the system employs a digital database to streamline the process of finding critical documents. We aim to give the community a system that stores regulations in one place, helps keep them up to date, and ensures regulations aren't missed. The real benefits of the system start to shine through when we add intelligence in the form of semantic search and automated compliance checking. This is the main ship interface for the B5 system. The B5 system is structured around three key functions. 1. Regulatory search. 2. Compliance checking. And 3. Form filling. Here we can easily access an up-to-date electronic library of maritime regulations. A semantic search function allows the user to search for a particular regulation or a regulatory theme. Searches can be refined by adding additional search terms. Each regulation can then be browsed directly from the system. An alternate means of searching utilises the contextual search function. This limits the regulations to only those relevant to either the vessel, the voyage, or the location. This reduces the number of regulations that the user has to consider. The Point of Interest browser allows the user to browse regulations at a location other than the current position of the ship. Here we can see a user docked in Southampton, using the map to search for regulations in his destination port, Civitavecchia. The second function of the system involves automated compliance checking. This tool informs the user of the compliance status of the ship. A ship can be in one of 3 states of compliance at any one time. OK informs the user that there are no regulations that are currently being infringed. Warning makes the user aware of regulations that may soon apply. Alert informs the user that they are currently breaking a regulation. The system takes a live feed from the bridge, allowing current navigational information to be analysed. This information is used to assess which regulations currently apply to the ship. In this instance, a warning has occurred. The user is able to investigate the warnings and can remove them from the system once they have been acted upon. Now the system is showing an alert. In this example, the ship is breaking the speed limit in the harbour area. The navigator must act to reduce speed before the alert can be repressed. The system also informs the user of any forms that need to be filled in. If there is a form that is required as part of the regulations, it is displayed here. To save time, the system has an autofill feature, which automatically completes known fields in forms. In this example, the system is showing that a form needs to be completed. By selecting the form, the user can bring up the required form for completion. When the form is completed, it is automatically sent to a central server, where it can be accessed by the appropriate authorities. The B5 regulatory compliance system introduces a radical new approach to regulation management. It stores regulations in a single digital database. It decreases the administrative workload on ships. It ensures regulations are not missed. It avoids duplication of information, and it reduces the chances of regulatory infractions. Together, these result in a system that reduces the cost of administration, enhances operational efficiency, and improves safety at sea.